Teacher Maria Teresa learned about the LINNEO project when she took her elementary pupils on a school trip to the aquarium of Genova. While there, she found out that the LINNEO platform offers a variety of didactic materials on different subjects, not just on the marine environment, but also on the world of animals and plants. She also realized that the platform can offer interesting suggestions for her didactic activities. In fact, the platform does not only allow pupils to directly navigate 3 different virtual worlds, but it also contains valuable resources for teachers. Back home, teacher Maria Teresa decided to thoroughly explore the platform and to seek inspiration for her science lessons. She finds the platform and proceeds to create an account, clicking on the Sign Up with Email button. She then selects the Italian language from the drop-down menu at the top of her screen. Once she has done this, she enters the teacher's area and selects the Didactic Unit section. Teacher Maria Teresa understands that LINNEO's didactic units are available in 3 different languages, including Italian, and can easily be downloaded. Didactic units are essentially lesson models, and they include links to educational resources. Teachers can adapt them to their own context to design and teach lessons to their pupils. After skimming through various didactic units, teacher Maria Teresa chooses one on bees. The title of the unit is Little Bee's Diary, and it is designed for 8 to 12-year-olds. It is perfect for her primary school class. She downloads the didactic unit as a PDF and prints it, so to better study it on the train she takes every day to go to school. From the overall description, she understands that the didactic unit makes children learn about bees and their world. First, they watch a video on the platform, then they complete 6 other activities addressing different aspects of bees' life. The estimated duration of the whole lesson is 18 hours, spanned in 3 weeks. Activities are described in detail in a table, including the work plan. For each activity, tools and resources are specified and links are provided. One day, after going through all of the activities, teacher Maria Teresa explores all the resources of the didactic unit, among which are videos and websites. On the train, on her way back home, she feels particularly inspired. She takes her notepad out of her bag and jots down the key elements of a new lesson based on the didactic unit she has been analyzing. Maria Teresa presents a video about the development of insects, acting as a facilitator and asking them to express their opinions and impressions on the video, what struck them, if they didn't understand something, etc. Then she splits her 20 pupils into 4 groups and introduces a new activity. After a second view of the video, each group have to create a map on a poster. The map should represent all the information they have learned. Although the didactic unit suggests to perform an activity about geometry in nature, Maria Teresa decides to skip it since she prefers to have time for another activity. Understand how bees live by comparing them with other social animals, such as ants. She collects information on social insects on the internet and on various books. Then she produces some worksheets for her pupils. She merges the 4 groups into 2 larger ones, distributes the worksheets, and assigns them a new activity. The 2 groups represent ants and bees, respectively. In each group, the role of each student is decided. For example, queen, worker, etc. Then, a pupil is instructed to present their kingdom by asking each member to introduce themselves to the other group. At the end of this activity, pupils are invited to watch a video about bees dance. Finally, Maria Teresa prepares a multiple choice test to assess the students' learning process about these two topics. The third lesson is Maria Teresa's favorite. The pupils are invited to create a memory game about the life of bees. Below the drawings, the pupils have to write some explanatory sentences so that they can recall and summarize the information learned during the previous phases. For the successful completion of the didactic unit, Maria Teresa organizes a special event with her pupils. She chooses a special date, the 20th of May, which is the World Bee Day. A beekeeper working in a farm near the school is invited to speak to the pupils and to tell them stories about bees. For example, to explain how he collects the honey they produce. The pupils are enthusiastic about the lessons on bees, so much so that they ask Maria Teresa to organize similar learning experiences in the future. She has already identified another nice didactic unit on the LINNEO platform. This one is about frogs. She definitely thinks that she will be able to satisfy their request.